Formstack Affiliate Program Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to the Formstack Affiliate Program Review. In this video, we're going to dive into the features of Formstack, its affiliate program, and how you can benefit from promoting this platform. Make sure to check the description below for links to the product and more details. Formstack is a powerful online form building platform designed to help businesses and individuals collect data through forms, surveys, and workflows. What sets Formstack apart is its robust features and flexibility that cater to businesses of all sizes. With drag and drop form creation, advanced analytics, and integrations with popular platforms like Salesforce, HubSpot, and Google Sheets, Formstack is ideal for streamlining data collection and simplifying workflows. This tool isn't just for form building. Formstack also provides a suite of products to automate tasks like document generation, e-signatures, and even creating surveys. Its ability to integrate with a wide range of tools makes it an attractive option for companies looking to centralize their operations and eliminate manual data entry. Additionally, Formstack's security features ensure that all data collected is protected, which is crucial for industries like healthcare and finance. Now, let's talk about the affiliate program. The Formstack affiliate program is a great opportunity for marketers who want to promote a high-quality product while earning a solid commission. The program offers competitive commissions, up to 30% recurring commission for every customer you refer. What's great about this program is that commissions are recurring, meaning that as long as the customers you refer continue to use Formstack, you'll continue to earn a commission every month. This makes the Formstack affiliate program a fantastic long-term income opportunity. Formstack's target audience includes small businesses, enterprises, marketers, and anyone looking to create forms or automate workflows. The platform's wide range of features appeals to many sectors, from education to healthcare to finance. If you have an audience that deals with data collection, document management, or process automation, the Formstack affiliate program is an excellent fit. In conclusion, the Formstack affiliate program is a great way to earn recurring income while promoting a top-tier tool for businesses. With its easy-to-use platform and a diverse range of features, it's an attractive option for companies looking to streamline their workflows. If you're an affiliate marketer targeting businesses in need of data collection or automation, this could be a lucrative opportunity. Check out the link in the description to sign up for the program and start earning today. Thanks for watching.